Salam alaikum. Garma Frank Sudawada. Welcome to Nils Furniture Design once again. It's Hussein, the director of Nils Furniture Design. Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is here once more again. So let's not forget our duty as insans to help those children who are in the need and also to help those families who are in the need back home in Somalia. Alhamdulillah, we have helped out as Nils Furniture Design in the past with donations of money, food and also mattresses to hospitals. And inshallah, once again, we will be doing the same. So now I would like you to share this video now so that you can also help by sharing this video now so that we can reach out for more people where we will be helping as Nils Furniture Design. So guys, please share this video now. And during Ramadan, alhamdulillah, I call out for those people who are in the UK to visit us here in Edmonton, our showroom, as we have amazing deals here at Nils Furniture Design. Thank you very much and salam alaikum.
وقم في الظلام واخف المكان ويا هربا ذا أوان الإياب